Today we had a function basically to keep the Sanat as far as Majegar scheme is concerned. I think last week or some days back, it was the same function was held as far as South Goa is concerned. I appeal to the people who have still not basically filled a form to take this opportunity, and this it is because it is important for them to get themselves as far as the scheme is concerned. And as CM has announced that there will be another thing as far as the flat scheme is concerned. The flat scheme is not a flat scheme in the sense. There are many builders basically they used to do they should not do sale deed. They should just do agreement for sale and keep the receipt. Because no one would know what would happen afterwards with that. Because those very builders could have even mortgaged their property. So it is very important. It is as the CM's decision today to see that they get their ownership right.
There will be no impact. You people are
काशीनाथ शेट्टी कोर्टान गेला आहे मजा
there will be no
करायची
impact on the market.
See, as far as legality is concerned, I think we are basically on a solid wicket. But our lawyers basically will fight to 10-0 in the court. Rest it is for court to.
Is there any data you have? How many more people have been approached for the Majegar?
For Majegar, there are many people. It is continuous process. That's the reason it's been extended. Now it has been extended for another 1 year's time. So that is the reason I'm saying I appeal to the people basically to come forward and seize of this opportunity.
Till now, how many data you have?
I don't have the data right now, but I can give it to you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.